Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tow a Tesla Model 3. First, prioritize safety and prevent damage by always using a flatbed truck. Before any movement, access the touchscreen and engage tow mode. This crucial step prepares your vehicle for transport. Also, confirm the parking brake is fully disengaged. Following these initial steps ensures a smooth and secure towing process, protecting your Model 3 from potential harm during transit. Activating tow mode is straightforward. On your Model 3 touchscreen, simply go to Controls, then select Safety and Security, and finally, tap on tow mode. This action releases the parking brake and allows the wheels to rotate freely, which is essential for safe loading onto a flatbed. Remember, your Tesla will stay in tow mode until you manually exit it or if the battery completely drains, so be mindful of its status. When loading your Model 3 onto a flatbed, precise positioning is key. Center the vehicle to ensure even weight distribution across the truck. Next, secure all four wheels using proper tie-down straps designed for vehicle transport. It's crucial to avoid using recovery hooks or any suspension components for securing, as this can cause significant damage. Always use the designated points to protect your Tesla during transit. Once your Model 3 has reached its destination and is safely parked, remember to exit tow mode via the touchscreen. This returns your vehicle to normal operation. It's also a good practice to check your tire pressure and conduct a quick visual inspection for any potential damage that might have occurred during transport. If the battery was low while in tow mode, ensure you recharge it promptly to maintain optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.